This is Mon's Pie Diary. Every page another short story. Today's about cutesy Snoopy theme park na nasa loob mismo ng Newtown Plaza Mall. Libre lang yung entrance kaya perfect for Snoopy lovers dyan. Para makapunta, sakay ka lang ng MTR papuntang shopping station. Pagdating mo doon, mag-e-exit ka sa A. Walking distance going to Newtown Plaza Mall, located sa 3rd floor to, sa may rooftop ha. Pag nakita mo na si Snoopy, yun ang entrance ng park. Sa loob, may Peanut School Bus na perfect pang photos, may mini cano ride for kids, playground area, at Snoopy Wedding House para sa aesthetic shots. Open usually from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Tip lang, pumunta ka ng weekday or earlier pag weekend kung gusto mong iwas pila sa cano ride. Reminder, outdoor ito sa rooftop kaya check mo muna ang weather. Don't expect na mala Disneyland to ha. Maliit lang to na park, more on pang photo spots at family bonding. Pero kung mahilig ka sa Snoopy o gusto mo lang mag-relax and makakita ng cute spots, Snoopy's World is definitely worth the visit. This is Mon's Pie Diary. Every page another short story. Follow us for our next page.